Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to learn from book New Oxford Modern English Pre-Primer. Let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is the city. Playgroup class, first of all watch on screen. What are you watching? Do you know what is this? This is the picture of a city. Playgroup class, do you know something about city life? City life is comfortable. Pupils have many facilities in city like offices, restaurant, transport. Now students, here in the green box there are some words. We can find these words in this picture. So let's start. The first word is bus. Do you know where is bus? Let us find the bus in this picture. This is a bus. The next word is truck. This is a truck. The next word is ambulance. Do you know where is ambulance? Let us find the ambulance in this picture. This is an ambulance. The next word is bike. Do you know where is bike? Here is a bike. The next word is van. Do you know where is van? Here is a van. The next word is train. This is a train. The last word is helicopter. Do you know where is helicopter? This is a helicopter. Now students, again read with me. Bus, truck, ambulance, bike, van, train and helicopter. Now students, come to the next page. The first word is car. Do you know where is car? Let us find the car in this picture. This is a car. The next word is motorbike. Do you know where is motorbike? Here is a motorbike. The next word is office. Do you know where is office? This is an office. The next word is windows. These are windows. The next word is shop. Do you know where is shop? It is a bakery shop. The last word is restaurant. This is a restaurant. Now students, again read with me. Car, motorbike, office, windows, shop and restaurant. Okay playgroup class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.